Hello everyone, let's discuss today how to use custom expect message in Playwright. We can specify a custom message as a second argument to the expect function. This message will display as a title in test steps and an error message in the error section of the report. Custom message will show in test step no matter whether your test pass or fail. Also, we can use custom message with soft assertion as well. So let's see results of expect without custom message. So visit programswitch.com and here use any existing expect which fail. So we are using incorrect title here, so our expect will fail. So you can see expect fail, and in error message we got expect received this and to have title this. And if you will check test steps, it will show expect dot to have title. Now this was without using the custom message. Now let's use custom message as a second argument. Just after your page, use comma and type some message. Verify title of the page. Now execute again. Now compare the output. Error section. Earlier we were getting this error expect received dot to have title expected, and now we are getting verify title of the page. The message we have specified here. And if you will check the test step, the same message verify title of the page is showing here as well. And in previous report it was showing expect dot to have title. So by using custom message you can display message of your choice if your script fail, and also you can change the title of the test step. In the same way you can also add a custom message to soft assertion as well. So comment this, copy code from our existing scenario. So here page title is incorrect, so this assertion will fail, and here we are verifying attribute value is this, and this assertion will pass. So add custom message just after page, verify page title, this one will fail. Just after locator use verify data element type attribute value. So first one will fail, second one will pass. Now execute. So for the failed one we got the error message verify page title, and if you will check the test steps here, for the failed one we got the title verify page title. Also for the step which is executed successfully without any error, we got the message we have added in our code, verify data element type attribute value, verify data element type attribute value. So this is how you can use custom expect message. Thank you for watching this video.